Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious 3-ingredient ice cream. This incredibly easy method requires no special equipment, just a few common items you likely already have. We'll combine heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and a flavoring of your choice to create a creamy, delightful treat. Get ready to whip up some homemade goodness in no time, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get started with the base. Take 2 cups of very cold heavy cream and pour it into your chilled mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed until it forms stiff peaks. This means when you lift the whisk, the cream holds its shape firmly. This step is crucial for achieving that light and airy texture, and it typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes to reach perfection. Next, we'll introduce the sweetness and flavor. Carefully fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into your whipped cream. This provides the perfect amount of sweetness and helps with the creamy texture. Now is the time to add your chosen flavoring, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or perhaps some cocoa powder for chocolate ice cream. Mix gently until everything is just combined, ensuring you don't deflate the airy cream. Finally, it's time for the magic to happen in the freezer. Pour your beautifully mixed ice cream base into a freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, but for the best results, let it freeze overnight. Once firm, scoop and enjoy your homemade 3-ingredient ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.